In you go, little one. There we are, almost perfect. Smells wonderful. The bondas are almost ready.
They smell delicious, dear.
Yay, I can't wait. Me too, they look so good.
Here you go. Here is your tea.
Thank you, it smells wonderful. Delicious. Thank you again.
The rain is so peaceful today.
Here you go, my dears.
Thank you, Mommy. Me too, please.
Of course, here you are.
It's getting so warm. Yeah, I can feel it on my hands. I can't wait to eat. Wow, this looks so yummy.
It is, beta. Enjoy.
Yay.
A perfect family meal.
Here you go, beta.
Thank you, Amma.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Yes, Appa, more please.
Of course, my dear. Welcome home, my dears.
Look, a shooting star.
It is a lucky night.